What if I told you for 290 rupees you could have Kingfish, Chonak and prawns thali that not only tastes great but it also has a lot of variety. Located 550 meters from the beautiful St. Alex Church is this restaurant that's spacious and has one of the best reviews in terms of the food and the overall service. What is up guys, I hope you are having an amazing day. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon and although it's gotten a little hot today lately in Goa, luckily right now we have these beautiful fields behind us and we are blessed with some gentle winds. We are visiting the Little Goa. What's striking here is the dazzling rustic structure of this restaurant. Let's step inside and check out this restaurant. Wow, it is way bigger than I expected. The space between all the tables is apt. It's got chilled vibes. This statue executes good chi, as they say in China. Some gorgeous natural light coming in. Looks like the perfect start to a culinary adventure. So we have found a comfortable spot here which is right next to the fields. And here we have Adrian, guys. You've seen her in most of my videos. And that's her Madin, godmother. Auntie Rosie, hello Auntie Rosie, and that's Adrian's mom, my mother-in-law. She's got a beautiful view of the fields. Right guys, so we have the menu here, so let's quickly go through the menu. So this is the salad section, soup section, starters here, and if you're interested in the prices, I usually cover the menu so you can get all the details in my videos. So they have a long menu. They even have Chinese here and chicken, prawns, Indian main course. And guys, what's good about this place is that they even have some live music happening here in the evenings. So yes, they also have continental steaks. Wow, steaks. I'll be interested in this. Desserts, ice cream. Yeah, that's about it. I have the crispy fried calamari here. So let's go for this. And there is mayo. Very soft inside, crispy on the outside, and it's basically calamari which is fried in this batter. So the batter is not very thick. If you have a look at it, it's got a thin batter, and obviously we are in Goa, guys, so calamari is tasting fresh. And the good part about this starter was that as soon as we got it, it was a long and a big spread. There were at least around 30 pieces and we've got mayonnaise with it. So far, it's a good starter that has started our day. So Adrian wanted to match something with her yellow dress today and that's why she's gone for these matching French fries. So Adrian, what is your review on the French fries? Let me grab one first and you have one as well.
Obviously, I love French fries with tomato ketchup.
How is it?
Really crispy, hot, and lovely.
Perfect. And I agree with Adrian as well. Very nice French fries, guys. So in case if you for some reason get in the mood to have French fries at such a place, you can go for French fries as well. Guys, check our tables out. We have an absolute feast that is going on here. Just look at this. This is my thali here and this is Adrian's thali and this is Madin's thali here and Madin is here and Mama is here. So this is a thali and look what we got here. We've got here the mackerel curry. Look at this, guys. Adrian has her tisrio. Okay, so Adrian, how's the tisrio?
It's amazing.
Wow, lovely. And here we have Madin. Madin is licking her fingers and chewing everything and there are crabs here. Madin, how is the food here? Too good? In the last video, Madin said, "Maja ata pot bharla ata ghara hoso nitpache." So today is going to be the same thing, I guess. And here is Mama.
It was delicious.
Delicious? What did you eat?
Tisrio.
Tisrio, okay. Well guys, such a long spread, so many items in this thali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 12. So yes, look at the thali, guys. Amazing Goan thali with obviously there is papad and achar, you know, there are other influences as well in the thali. So let me first take a piece of the kingfish. I love this fish, guys. So let me break this for you. And as soon as I touched it, I could feel the semolina. It's called rava. And let's try this. Spicy and amazing flavors. And look at this, guys. This is one of my favorite fish. I totally love it. Look at Adrian showing the size of the chonak. Guys, the masala is too good. If you want spicy fried fish in your thali with good masala, this is amazing and fresh. Okay, now let's quickly mix the gravy here. What is this? Oh wow, these are prawns inside, guys. Again, one of my favorite. Prawn curry is super. And look at this. We have mixed the curry. Prawns curry is really amazing, guys. And what do we have here? We have the kismore. Third item that I've had, guys. Fantastic. And crabs. I'm not a crab person, but I'll still taste the masala and I'm going to hand it over to Adrian. So let me bite this. Look at the crab. Wow. Gives you a kick. It's a bit on the spicy side, but very good taste nevertheless. And Adrian here says quite impressed. And if you look at both the aunties here enjoying our food, they are doing the little bit of barter system here. They're exchanging stuff. I don't know what's happening here, but guys, I'm thoroughly enjoying my thali. It is very good. And look at this bhaji here, guys. What bhaji is it? Gawar bhaji. Yes, gawar bhaji. Amazing with the coconuts and the typical Goan flavor. And
But beans bhaji.
Beans bhaji, yeah. Beans bhaji, guys. And the sol curry. If you see, the sol curry has lots and lots of chilies in it. So I don't want to remember the Little Goa tomorrow. So let me get rid of the chilies. But if you like it spicy, guys, it's your call. Super. And there's even a gulab jamun here, guys. Look at this. We even have a gulab jamun. And look at the salad here. Very nice salad with the coriander on it. So let's taste it. Very fresh. Lime squeezed on it. There's carrots in there as well. Cabbage and papad, guys. Papad looks like the regular papad. Not going to taste that for you. So guys, this has been an impressive, huge thali. Look at the number of things. So it's my time now to have all the thali and down all this good food here. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and we are going to go to many more places like this in the future. So guys, in case you enjoyed the video, do leave a thumbs up. It motivates us to visit many more places like this. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.